Hello and welcome to Moorish Cuisine, my desi kitchen with the western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of chicken Malai Boti. A delicious and creamy chicken barbecue recipe made with yogurt, cream and some more spices. For this recipe, ingredients we need will be a pound and a half of boneless chicken. I use thigh parts and I have these medium-sized chunk. You can use any size. Then I have 4 to 5 tablespoons of lemon juice or white vinegar, half a cup of whipping cream. I have heavy whipping cream, half a cup of plain yogurt. Then I have these spices, a tablespoon each of ginger and garlic, 1.5 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of each sugar and salt. Then I have these fenugreek leaves, qasoori methi. I just crushed it, I put it in my palm. So this is the crushed fenugreek leaves. And that's everything. And yeah, oil like a tablespoon. You can use ghee as well. Now take chicken pieces in a mixing bowl, pour your cream on top of it, add yogurt, lemon juice, and then rest of your seasoning. Now mix everything well and leave this chicken for an hour or more for marination. Now thread the marinated chicken pieces into the wooden skewers, and if you are doing on the outdoor grill, you can use the steel skewers as well. So use all rest of your chicken and thread them into the skewers. Now what you do with the remaining of your marination? What I did, I just transferred that into the saucepan and cook it until extra water get dry, and then use this as my gravy with the chicken. So it was a beautiful day here in Chicago. So I'm grilling my Malai Boti on my outdoor grill. I had some chicken tikkas as well, some cayenne franks, this gravy which I cooked, and my Malai Boti ready to go on the grill. I had some chips. I bought this bag from Costco. It was like $2.99, a whole 20-ounce bag, and it was yummy. And some lemonade. So I just heat up the grill, put my skewers on my charcoal grill until they were fully cooked and got a very nice golden color on top. So when they are done, just rest them for a little while, let them little cool down, and then transfer the chicken pieces onto your serving plate. So here is my creamy chicken Malai Boti. Have it with paratha, salad, raita or chutney. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any other video and updates, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free.